A start guide is always displayed after you turn on a new phone for the first time or reset a phone. If you're thinking of skipping the steps, you'd better not, for they can save you much effort. Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. For those who are returning, it's good to have you back. I'm Shababs, and in this video, we're going to guide you through some simple steps to set up your Honor Magic Lite 6 for the first time. This same principle basically applies to all cell phones. If you need more info about this phone, below you'll find a link, or you can just click on the end screen at the end of the video. Just a small reminder, this is not only an unbox but also a tutorial channel. What you might know, others might not know. So keep the comments polite so we can all benefit from each other. And without further ado, let's get started. Before you turn on a new phone, insert the SIM card correctly, then press and hold the power button to start the phone. If no SIM card is available, just hold the power button to start the phone. You might have to wait a few seconds for it to start. On the welcome screen, select language. In our case, we select English and tap Get Started. Then select the region and tap Next to continue. Next, you'll be taken to Terms of Use page. Here are mainly some license agreements using the device and some of the basic service statements. Read them carefully, then check the box I have carefully read and agree to the terms above, and then tap Next. If you didn't insert a SIM card from the start, here you'll be prompted to insert a SIM card. You may insert the card and tap Next, or just skip it. Next, you'll be prompted to connect your phone to Wi-Fi and tap Next. If you don't have a Wi-Fi network nearby, or your network needs your login or is of poor signal quality, the data updates may slow down. You can also turn off your internet, select Skip, and connect later. Now you're given the option to copy or transfer apps or data from your old phone. This includes photos, contacts, Google account, etc. You might click Next to do it, or click Don't Copy. If you decide to copy, this might take a while, but you'll be given an option to either copy via Wi-Fi, which takes quite a while depending on your internet connection, or you can just copy by cable. I recommend you copy the files at this stage because it saves you a lot of time in the future. In my case, I'll just select Don't Copy. Now you'll be taken to your Google sign-in page, which you can either do right now, and I would recommend you to do this, or if your case is like mine, you can skip and have it done later. Important you know is that you won't have access to Google Store or anything Google until you log into your Google account. I'm just going to skip it. As you enter the Google Services page, you might want to read the Google's terms and policy well, and then after that you click Accept to proceed to the next. Honor will also give you an option for a quick login. If you wish, just agree and then set manually. If you have an Honor ID, just write them here. If not, you can create one. Then you'll be given an option to create a device protection, which can be either fingerprint protection, a face recognition, or create a password. I'm not ready for that now, so I'm going to skip this part. Then you'll be taken to enabled services. You can either accept or skip for now. I'm going to skip it. Then user experience program, location services. You can either accept or skip for now. I'm going to skip all of this. Keep your software up to date, which I will accept and enable, but we'll do that later. In app market, you can either add additional app or remove them, then click on Next. After you enter the data and privacy page, also read carefully and tap Next. Finally, system navigation. You have two options, either gestures or 3 keys. At this stage, the system will demonstrate how to use the navigation gestures. Tap Finish after you choose the navigation method you'd prefer. In the future, you can also go to Change Navigation Method and then Done to do this. As soon as it's all set, you'll be immediately asked to update software. Before I update, in my case, I'm just going to check the initial Magic OS and Android version. Once checked, I now go back and update. As you can see, it's a pretty simple process. I appreciate your time watching this video. Let me know what you think about the Honor 6 Lite, and if you have any questions or if you already have any experiences you would like to share, please leave them below in the comment section. If you liked the video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to receive a notification every time we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and as always, catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.